Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now with me, Priya Behel. And now massive anger is being seen in Badlapur in Maharashtra's Thane district, with people gathering at the railway station in large numbers and stopping the movement of trains. The protests are being held against alleged sexual assault of two 4-year-old school children by a cleaning staff member. Protesters claim there has been a delay in police action and they are demanding hanging of the culprits. Visuals from Badlapur railway station show protesters blocking the railway tracks and pelting stones at the police personnel.
इसलिए बदलापुर में जो यात्रीगण और उसके अलावा जो आंदोलक ट्रैक पे आए हैं, उनसे रेलवे प्रशासन, स्टेट पुलिस, जीआरपी सभी उनसे वार्तालाप करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। हम लोगों का ये प्रयास है कि जल्द से जल्द ये जो रेल परिवहन है वो सुचारू रूप से चालू हो जाए और जो आंदोलकों का प्रक्षोभ है उसके लिए हम लोग ये प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि कम से कम यात्रियों की जो परेशानी है वो हम कम कर सकें। 5 मेल एक्सप्रेस ट्रेनें करजत से लेके पनवेल और ठाणा डायरेक्शन में डाइवर्ट की है।
Now, the two kids were allegedly sexually assaulted by a cleaning staff member on the 12th and 13th of August inside the washroom of this school. But the police finally filed an FIR on the 16th of August and arrested the accused, who was hired by the school on a contractual basis. The state government has ordered formation of an SIT to investigate the incident. Now, Chief Minister's office has said that CM Shinde has taken serious note of this incident and has warned that action will be taken against the management if such an incident occurs. He also directed that the case be tried in a fast-track court immediately so that the accused can be dealt with strictly.
एक प्रकार से कुकर्म करने का प्रयास किया है, कुकर्म किया है, ये बहुत ही गंभीर इस प्रकार की बात है और हम इसकी बहुत ज्यादा निंदा करते हैं। और राज्य सरकार ने इस मामले में एक एसआईटी का निर्माण किया है। आईजी लेवल की महिला अधिकारी को एसआईटी का प्रमुख बनाया गया है। हमारा यह प्रयास है कि इस मामले की तुरंत जांच होकर और चार्जशीट भी जाए और फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में इसको हम चलाने की कोशिश करेंगे ताकि जो पीड़िता है उनको एक प्रकार से उसमें न्याय मिल पाए। इस प्रकार का हमारा प्रयास होगा।
देखिए, ये बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंस है। हमने सीसीटीवी कंपलसरी कर दिया है, लेकिन जो रिपोर्ट मेरे पास आ गई उसके हिसाब से यहाँ का सीसीटीवी बंद था। तो आज हम लोग नया सर्कुलर भी निकाल रहे हैं कि सिर्फ सीसीटीवी बिठाना काफ़ी नहीं है, उसको चालू रखने की जिम्मेदारी भी स्कूल की है। स्कूल को हमने नोटिस निकाला है, उसके प्रिंसिपल, उसके क्लास टीचर और 2 असिस्टेंट को निलंबित किया गया है। तो ये सब कार्रवाई हम लोग कर रहे हैं। सिर्फ एक ही बात है कि जब पुलिस के पास ये मामला पहुंचता है तो तुरंत उस पर एक्शन होनी चाहिए। वहाँ की जो सीनियर पीआई है उन्होंने 12 घंटे के बाद इस पर एक्शन लिया, इसलिए उनका ट्रांसफ़र तो हो गया। लेकिन मेरी ये मांग डिप्टी सीएम साहब के साथ रहेगी, तो इस अधिकारी को सस्पेंड कीजिए।
This, whatever happened, is absolutely shameful and unpardonable, and even I feel that such people should be hanged. And another thing is that we should not politicize these things, but definitely if the police officers have failed in doing their duty, the pregnant mother was made to wait for 11 hours. So if this type of insensitive resides within the police force, then definitely they need to be taken to task.
The opposition is gunning for Mahayuti government, now raising questions on the law and order situation in the state, demanding death punishment for the accused. Opposition leaders say that not only the culprit but also those who are responsible for delay in police action should be punished.
जो छोटे छोटे बच्चों पे अत्याचार होता है वो पूरे महाराष्ट्र को एक शर्म आनी चाहिए। ऐसी घटना, ये पुलिस विभाग की आज कानून व्यवस्था पूरी बिगड़ चुकी है। उनकी सबकी मांग है कि फास्ट ट्रैक पर चलाया जाए, 3 महीने के भीतर में ये नराधम को फांसी हो और ऐसे आरोपी को किसी भी हालत में छूटना नहीं चाहिए, ये हमारी मांग है।
आणि या घटनेला जे कोणी गुन्हेगार जबाबदार असतील त्यांना तर लवकरात लवकर केस चालवून मग ते फास्ट ट्रॅक म्हणा किंवा काही म्हणा, आपल्याला अनुभव आहे की गेल्या काही वर्षांपूर्वी दिल्लीमध्ये निर्भया कांड घालवलं, निर्भयाचे सगळे आरोपी पकडले, गुन्हे साबित झाले, पण 20 वर्षांनी त्यांना फाशीमध्ये गेलं। आणि मग या सगळ्या दिरंगाईला जबाबदार कोण? जेवढे एखाद्या महिलेवरती अत्याचार करणारे गुन्हेगार हे त्या घटनेसाठी जबाबदार असतात, तसंच त्याचा न्याय निवाडा करून त्याच्यावरती शिक्षेची अंमलबजावणी करायला गिरंदाई करणारे सुद्धा जबाबदार धरले पाहिजे. हे जर का झालं तर आणि तरच अशा गोष्टीला आळा बसेल. पुढचं मी एवढंच म्हणेन की अशा धर्तीचं राजकारण न करता, जसं आता हाथरस पुलाव, त्याच्यानंतर राजस्थानमध्ये काही घडलं, आता बदलापूरमध्ये घडलं, अगदी इथे काही घडलं, तर ते सुट्टा कामा नये. सगळेजण पक्षभेद जातपात विसरून एकत्र झाले तर आणि तरच आपल्या देशातल्या आणि राज्यातल्या महिला सुरक्षित राहतील.
Now, the NCPCR has also taken cognizance of this incident. A team of the child rights body is now headed to Badlapur to look into the details.
महाराष्ट्र के बदलापुर में एक स्कूल में बच्चियों के यौन शोषण का मामला सामने आया है. इस घटना से जुड़ी ये जानकारी भी प्राप्त हुई है कि बच्चों के यौन शोषण के मामले को स्कूल ने दबाने का प्रयास किया. पुलिस ने समय पर FIR दर्ज नहीं की. इस पूरे मामले पर आयोग ने संज्ञान लिया है. आयोग की एक टीम बदलापुर जाकर इस पूरे मामले के तथ्यों की जांच करेगी. जो भी दोषी पाया जाएगा उन पर कार्रवाई की जाएगी. जिन लोगों ने भी पुलिस को सूचना देने में हीला हवाली की है, मामले को दबाने का प्रयास किया है, उन पर पॉक्सो एक्ट के तहत FIR दर्ज करवाने की कार्रवाई की जाएगी.
Even as politics rages over the issue, Nilesh, the big question right now is what explains the delay that happened in filing the FIR? Nilesh, can you hear me?
We are just at Badlapur station where people are turning up in huge number, and I would request my VJ Sachin to show you the visuals wherein people in big number are in here, and the number is continuously increasing for the past 6 years. 6 hours, citizens of Badlapur are hitting the railway track. Police officials are in huge number. However, all efforts of DRP and RPF and Girish Mahajan, who is also a cabinet minister, is trying to address the citizens in here. However, all efforts are going in vain, and all you can hear is thunder of applause and slogans that is being raised by these citizens for the past 6 hours, and these slogans are demanding for capital punishment. And one of these individuals, one group of citizens here is carrying a fasika fanda, a rope to hang the culprit, and they are demanding if the system is unable to bring justice to the door, let them do it. Let the citizens of Maharashtra do it, because various instances are into light wherein such heinous crime is being committed. However, when it comes to justice is continuously being delayed, and hence this anger is what is pouring at the Badlapur railway tracks. Various train services are affected. People here are carrying boards and banners which read that they do not need the 1500 Ladki Bahan Yojana, but all they need is safety and security for their daughters, for their mothers, for their wives, for their sisters. Big number of police deployment is here. Girish Mahajan is trying to address, trying to cool down the situation, trying to make people understand. However, all efforts are going in vain. Commissioner of Thane police is also here. GRP, DCPs and all high-rank officers are in here on all of platforms. As you can see, people are turning up in huge number, and not just the railway tracks and platforms, but the under construction bridge which is underway. People are seen hanging in there. It is raining heavily in Badlapur. However, people are stubborn to their demands. They are seeking justice and immediate justice, because what they are claiming that police system has already delayed the justice. It is more than a week now that the case has come to light, and now the police, the political parties are taking into action, are seen into action. However, what their demand is, why this step wasn't taken when the incident was reported? Why did it take 12 hours to the police to register the case? And now the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, is saying that a DGP rank officer will deal with the case, and the case will move to fast track court, and justice will be given very soon. However, the citizens that have gathered here in a number of thousands are not buying this. condition. What they are demanding is immediate justice should be done. The culprit should be hanged, and they will be the one that will be hanging the culprit. It is a tussle between the system, the policing authority, and citizens of Badlapur at the moment, which are constantly on increase at Badlapur railway station. All of these slogans are being raised.
Justice coming in, case has been handed over to a fast-track court for hearing, but one really wonders for what happened on the 12th and 13th, what would have happened if people had not turned out on the streets 7 days later, that is today. Meanwhile,